Hello everyone, welcome to this art video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw water, because to some artists out there, water is actually one of their biggest fears when it comes to drawing it. Now, drawing water can be a challenge. However, with time and practice, drawing water will actually come very easily. But as for materials anyway in this drawing, I use some very basic materials that anyone can use. I use mainly just HB leads with my mechanical pencil like I usually do, along with some blending sticks for a little bit of shading, and then for the glare effect on the water, I used a Tombow thin eraser and just a big fat eraser to blend it a little bit together. That's all I use. It's very simple, very easy materials. Just a standard pencil, cheap eraser, and your finger will work also, so don't get discouraged with the materials I've been using in my art videos. Also, this video will offer plenty of angles for you to watch. There will be different angles from the left and from just the top pointing right down, so you can actually see what I'm doing when I'm drawing it. Also, as for the ripples, I kind of just made it a little bit of randomness with the ripples. Like, obviously see on more toward the left and the right side of the probably like the 10th ripple is very, very dark, and then it will slowly light up, and you'll just see this drawing come to life. It'll make sense when you're trying to draw water, how to actually draw water. So, I hope you guys enjoy this drawing and this how-to video of water. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think. So enjoy this video.